Digwit YouTube, Kunstatu. So this is it. The list of things I must do before I shuffle off this mortal coil and become worm feast. Iver hain. Finish school. I thought I'd be over and done with this by now in my time in life, but apparently not. As most of you are aware, because of the job that I have, I now have to go back to school and get myself a degree. So, yeah, fun, more learning. Just try not to let my schooling get in the way of my education. Iver a do. Pack up a car or a van or some other suitable mode of transportation and just hit the road. Go off and take me wherever the road leads me. See what happens. In short, I want to see the world. I want to see more of it. I want to learn more about it and just take some time and be. Iver a tree. This also kind of links into my last one, but have a by any means type tour, travel around the world type thing. So what I mean by any means is turn up at an airport or a port or whatever, say, and get the next bus or plane or train or ferry or whatever it is out of wherever it is I am, and yeah, land wherever I happen to land, and then hitch, get a bus, taxi, ferry, walk, cycle, swim, submarine, that kind of thing. So that'd be fun. That'd be interesting. And if somebody wants to, help me achieve this ambition on my bucket list, by all means get in touch. Information on the Leelo. A car. Build my own house on a beach in Hawaii. Now, hopefully I'll be able to do this before all the beaches get taken up with houses. If not, I'll just find some other secluded part of the world and build a house there. I was asked once at a meeting of my YCL course what was one of the things I'd like to do before I die, and this one popped into my head, so as of now it is officially on my bucket list. It'd just be nice. I've kind of been taken with the idea ever since I saw Bicentennial Man. That's slightly sad, but no. Build my own house. Maybe several houses. We'll see what. Iver could. Become well skilled in the sports that I love. So because I don't think I'm actually going to become a master of, say, rock climbing or scuba diving or windsurfing or sailing or parkour or maybe rollerblading if I take up rollerblading again, you get the general gist. I just want to become well skilled and appreciated for what I can do. That's all. It's kind of, never stop learning, never stop doing. That's something that I'm going to try and remember. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. Become well skilled and hopefully get employed in sports that I love. I'm already on the way. I'm getting training while I'm working in Cavan. I have some previous training that I have, so I'm just going to build on that for the rest of my mortal days. Iver a shay. Learn something new every year. So last year I learned how to scuba dive. And free dive, as it happens. This year I've already learned how to fletch arrows, which is kind of an interesting, slightly useless thing unless I happen to be working as an archer. But it's something new that I've learned, and I'm also going to be learning lots of new things again while working in Cavan. Good everybody. So yeah, learn something new every year. I think it's something that we should all do, and it kind of again ties in with some of my other items on my bucket list. Go out and learn something. See it, experience it, do it. That's what I want to do, and these are what I will do now, and I will have this list up on my wall, and yeah, it's kind of going to be, it will be done before I die, whenever that may be. Yeah. Always wear fresh underwear when you're going out. You never know what might happen. So, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much to Colin for tagging me. I'll put a link to your video and everyone else's videos down below. I look forward to seeing everyone else's videos. If I think of 5 people to tag, I shall put you there, as well as links down below. So keep posted, and I may just tag you. Gur míle maith agat everybody. Slán go fóill.